This 2015 Ram ProMaster cargo van is brought to you by Motors Trust. 2015 Ram ProMaster High Roof Transit Works Smart Floor Seating Conversion System, Wheelchair Access Rear Entry Lightweight Ramp Rear Air Suspension. Visit Motors Trust online at www.motorstrust.com to see more pictures of this vehicle or call us at 305-603-8867 today to schedule your test drive. To see all of our inventory, www.motorstrust.com. All of our vehicles are clean titles. Financing is available for everyone. If you have bad credit, we can help. We have over 200 cars, trucks, cargo vans, SUVs available for you to choose. The store is located on NW 27th Avenue. All prices are cash only. Prices financing may change price depending on customer credit. Come to see it. Easy finance available. Instant credit approval. Vehicles go through safety and quality inspections. Free Carfax available. No hassle equals no pressure. Reestablish or reestablish your credit. Your past will not haunt you here. We accept pay stubs, SSI, disability, unemployment, bank statements, award letters, job letters, and visit us at motorstrust.com.